My name is Erik Blomberg and I work here at the innovation department at Fjällräven. This is a GORE-TEX jacket, and to keep the functionality over time, it's in a product like this, it's super important to keep dust and dirt away, but also salt and fat coming from maybe sunscreen and sweat on the inside. It's also very important to have an active DWR treatment. I'll show you how to maintain it. So for this you need a dirty jacket, you need detergent. We prefer liquid because it's easier to rinse away residues while washing. Stay away from detergents with bleach or softeners. You need DWR, comes in different versions. The benefit with spray is that you can apply it only where it's needed. The benefit with the wash-in versions is of course that it's much easier and more convenient. Stay away from aerosol sprays because it's bad for the environment. And you need a sponge to spread out the DWR, and you need a washing machine, a tumble dryer or a drying cabinet. Start by washing your garment according to the care label. To make sure there's no detergent residues left, you can rinse it twice. Hang the product on a hanger or lay it flat. Be aware that this can get a little bit messy. A tip is to apply the DWR when still a bit damp. That makes it easier to spread out the DWR evenly. Pay special attention to high wear areas like the shoulders, chest and back on a jacket, and seat and lower leg ends in a pair of pants. Use a sponge to spread out the DWR evenly. The last step is to activate the DWR with heat. Use a tumble dryer or a drying cabinet if you have one. Otherwise a hair dryer will do the job too. Warm and fresh from the drying cabinet. Now it's clean, it's dry, and the DWR is reactivated. Depending on how much you use this garment, do this a few times per season and the product will keep you warm, dry and comfortable for a very, very long time.